Alright. That's why I heard the low. Uh, 261. You said high to the low, higher low to high. Alright. From this low to this high. That buy zone will be here. What's a good buy zone for continuation? Go to a high. Just running this field right now. Just getting a little more. Just trying to get a little bit more familiar with my field. Yeah, I don't know how long I'm gonna be on too. We'll see how long I'm on today. I just wanted to get a little look at the charts for a little bit. Alright, if I want to see how high, how far they want to take price up, this is our inducement. Our equal highs equal lows. I run it from the high to the low of that range. Looks like we're selling off at that 261. I would really want price to come up down below here. Yeah, I probably can't even see that. Yeah. This is current price here. I'm gonna be waiting for that dump. FBG here. Yeah. Hold on. If you want to see that sale, the last year, yeah, here we go. Run it from that low, run that field from the low to the high. When you run the field from the low to the high, you're able to catch the continuation or the optimal, them discount zones, I believe they're called, the optimal buying zones. You say demand or whatever, PD array, demand, whatever. to the low. Accumulation range, high to the low. Go highs. Equal lows. Distribution. Okay. All right, let's try to get a little bit replay tested in now. Shit. No, I'm not trading right now. I'm back testing. Just back testing. Dang. Well, let's just go here. Oh, this dump is nasty. Oh, we're in this uptrend. Making higher highs, higher lows. Yeah. We got them previous day highs. And we took the highs and the lows. We're displacing higher. Looked like price want to come back up into this FVG. Look like price might want to come back up. Just looking at price. Hold on. Some equal highs, equal lows, manipulation, distribution. Equal highs, equal lows, manipulation, distribution. Alright. We had this previous FVG here. Okay, this is where price is interacting at now. Alright, so we got this daily FVG here. Our next FVG here. This is where price is interacting at now. Took them low. Swept the lows. This place higher. Price closing out above 50%. I can see this price going back up into this FVG. Yeah, right here. Yeah, equal highs, equal lows, manipulated downward. We just swept these lows. Just swept these lows here. We see our price interacts here. Very little gap. We can see our price want to interact here. Because it can still respect here. If it respect that FVG here, it can be targeting these lows. We'll see. I'm just backtesting some MEQ right now. Right on for the hearts wheel. I appreciate you. So you took this $1,000 trade on me. Oh yeah, on me I'm locked in. All right, Alex. Hold on, I'm about to replay this song. I ain't gonna fake it. No, the market closed today. Well, it's closed now. Roy, I appreciate your follow. Now I'm on the MEQ. God damn. Oh my god. Once you know how to run that fucking fib. God damn. Nah, this song fire as hell. Oh god. I ain't heard this song in a minute. God damn. No. Oh, toss up close today. My funded features is open until noon. Noon tomorrow. Yeah, I think futures is closed. They closed at noon today. That's what I thought. The market. I had to make sure my music was muted on YouTube, boy. They gonna take my shit down. We'll see what price want to do here at this daily FVG. If I get a strong bullish candle and we get some of this placement, stop loss below here, chasing it back up to the high. Oh my god! Nah, this shit bumping. I ain't gonna fake it, bro. What the hell? Yeah, this 4-hour order block here too. Alright. Let's see what price wanna do. Hold on, let me mark out my buy side. Hold on. Get to it. Hold on, get to it. Get to it. Okay, get to it. Hold on. Let me practice. Hold on, do you highlight this? Okay, get to it. Get to it. Okay, get to it. Highlight this. Okay, let's see, highlight this. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. I'm using my field for my take profit zones. Trying to see where I want to do my take profit. Yeah, but it's 25 already. Looking at the 50%. Wait, it'll be the 50, 25, and 0. So I ran my field the wrong way. Hold on. Oh yeah, that money's still on me. That money's still moving. Oh wait, is that shit open though? Hold on. I'm not gonna trade it if it's open, but I'm about to look it up. Gourmet trades. Oh me. Oh, this shit is open. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm not trading that shit though. Fuck that. Real, I appreciate your follow. Yeah, I'm not trading that. Here we go, right here. Low to the high. Here we go. Did I mark it on? Hold on, let me run that again. Then these are gonna be my take profits. I'm working on using my fib to help me as my tell me what my take profits as well. So I'm gonna try that out today. Eight, 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 eight. Yep, I need price of this place higher. Alright, let's just see what price wanna do. Yeah. Hey. Oh. Hold on. Yeah, these might be the real take profits here. 50. Here we go, yeah. I'm a champion. I'm messing with I would want to wait for price to get up. It gonna be so that he's so broke. Ooh. I just put about in your bit throat. Ooh. Alright, got that coke out back my nose. Smoking dope, real heavy, got that bitch steady. I'm a champion. I was sleeping right on the floor. Alright, let me just see something. No. Hold on. Let me. I'm just trying to run this fib. Just trying to work on like my take profits as well. Trying to see, okay, how can I run it? That bitch is ready. Here we go. From the low to the high. No. You run it from the low to the high to see how far this manipulation phase might want to go. Below the 113. I want to see how price react here because this could manipulate a little bit lower, back down. All right. Real, I appreciate the follow. J. Cool, I appreciate the follow. We just rejected off this it's 200. Rejected off a daily. Okay. Hold on. Alright. Let's see what price rejected off from. Because it didn't reject off that daily. So let's see. Where we at the 200 now. 113. Alright, let's see how far they want to run this down. Alright, let's see what price swept. Price swept all this sell side. All this sell side liquidity. Let's see how price want to hold up. Rejecting off this order block here. Go higher. See my 30-minute. And I price need to hold up above here. I'm on a trading view. Most Dev J, have a good one. I probably won't be on, but I'll catch you. What's the word, Dylan, bro? Price hold up above. Yep. Damn. I couldn't even stop it. That's the one thing I don't like about TradingView. How you can't stop that shit. Damn, man. That's that move right there. Alright, well, let's just try to see if we can get like a little retracement. FVG here. Let's see what price want to do. It's like you can't. That's why I like to go on FX replay, because like when you press pause, like it doesn't stop. Like it still spits out like 3 more candles. Man, this shit just ripping, huh? This shit dumped and just ripped. Here should have been an entry here. I should have entered in here. Okay. Damn. This shit ripping. When the hell was this? Now look, it went through all my target points I wanted. These are take profits I wanted. That shit is ripping. Well, it hit every single take profit I wanted to enter at. This thing not even like. Yeah. Got this FEG here. Yeah, this shit ripping like crazy. See how price just want to react. We rejected off this. What is this? It's 4 hour. And shit about to retest. Yep. Oh. Retest out this 4 hour order block. Let's see if we get some displacement. Okay. Hold on. Right from the high to range to the low. Right from the high to low. Here we go. The lower the high of the range. Yeah, this is like a reversal. That Kodak song. No, I'm not trading Asia. I'm just backtesting tonight. Yeah. Did you get it, bro? Alright, that 261. Yeah, you love me. You say you love me. You say that you trust me. You say that you love me. What am I looking for? Which way do I? Yeah. I'll be targeted here. Buy side. I'm trying to practice my fib as well. That's why I keep grabbing my fib. I want to become better at running it. I'm just trying to see something with my fib. How do I get rid of this? Oh, okay. Let me see. What if I go on a lower time frame? I'm trying to see what time frame can I run it so I can like see like my stop loss as well. That matches up with my also my liquidity zones. Bro, I just showed you what it's called. I gotta put that shit back up. Oh me. Same reason like you practice a video game or sport to become better. Which way? I'm running from the low to the high of my range to see how far that manipulation is gonna go. Okay. If I want to see, okay, we're in this uptrend. What do I want to see take profit? I'm running from my last higher. I'm running from my last higher high to my last low, so we can see how far price wants to run. This should have been TP1. Am I running it? Yeah, I'm running it the wrong way. No, I am running it the right way. I just want to see something with my fib as well. I got I got some TPs down that I see. Lifestyle, lifestyle. This shit not right, bro. That stop loss is not right. Hold up. Yeah, this shit not right, but it's whatever. So profit price came up here, then it came back down and retest. Damn. Okay. So price came up, act like it was gonna hit my TP, my TP1, came back down, retest, came back up, then wicked us out. Let's see what price is gonna do. You see all that shit? Okay. Alright. That shit came right back up. Let me see something. Oh, I didn't even look and see what time zone I'm in. Like, what time frame is this? Oh, man. Well, I clearly see that we in the range right here. I didn't even look and see what time frame we're on. I'm just backtesting right now. I work 9 to 5. I'm just on TradingView right now. Just on TradingView right now. Yeah, I just got wicked out right there. But I didn't even look and see what time frame I'm on. I still think this goes back up to the high. Yeah. Any displacement back higher. I still think that goes back up to the high. Hold on. What time is this? 12 p.m. Distribution. manipulation. Manipulation. Check the right out the 113. Ah, okay. So that's how I can tell how far price is gonna go down into this PDO range. Okay. I'm back in this. Yeah, I know that shit wanna go. But it's right back in the same spot. We about to target these highs here. Yep, 100. Is there no live trading today? The market closed at I think it's open right now. The Asia session open, but I'm not trading that shit. I'm not trading it. But I'm just backtesting on TradingView. This just backtest, the replay testing right now. I was gonna practice today, and I was like, man, I might as well just start a live up. So, what preference do you use? I use Top Step. No, I didn't see the dollar move today. No, sir. I'm trying to practice my fib and stuff today. And I heard about you through the great though. This shit is just, it's like this range right here. It's 4 hour. Let's change that up. Let's go back. Let's change this up. Came down. Respected this. Okay, so this is only. I should only be looking at this right here. This is what I should be looking at for how high prices gonna go. Yeah. TP1 is here. Well, not anymore, but hold up. TP. This is how high. This is how high they're gonna run price up. No, I run it from the low. I run my field from the low of the range to the high of the consolidation range to see how far they're gonna bring price down. And I look for a higher time frame PD rate to see how far they're gonna drop. 113. We respected this BISI. Move back up. Manipulate this, that manipulation. And I want that. I want that distribution. Yeah, top step. I appreciate the follow, Manny. I appreciate you, my boy. My guy. My guy. My brother. They wanna deep me. They gonna do a better. They gonna do it better. And do forever. Look at too thirsty. Get used to the chatter. I wanna turn girl to fuzzy so you can get jealous. Turn out the light. I'm looking for. She got the promises I never get on you. Turn out the light. I'm looking for. I'm looking for the last higher low. Run from that last higher low to this high. And up with for yeah Many faces going like a star. What is you talking about, trucking? Been on Chat GPT with right now. What? Sigma or no Sigma? What is you talking about? What are you talking about? Turn off the lights. I don't know what the hell y'all talking about. I'm looking for. Turn off the light. I'm looking for. Hold on. You be a good girl. Nearly for the world. Yeah, you take control of me. See, oh, my first TP. I just learned this yesterday. I'm looking at the wrong. I'm looking at the wrong take profit. Boom. I should be targeting that order block before that displacement. This I never say no you. Which order block was that? Never say no you. The last black candle. Yeah. Looking for. I'm looking for. I should have been targeting that order block. Boom. Like you see how it's like say I'm in different profit. It say I'm 230. It say I'm 267 here. But then it says I'm 340 at the 3 hour. Then it says I'm up 420 on the 4 hour. Like what the hell is it? Like which one is it? What the hell? You got this range right? Oh, got no type. But this is the only thing that I like. You know, cause with the ice and she do this every night. I'm gonna with the money and this guy I ain't gonna extension cord. Mm-mm-mm-mm. I got all money, really highlight. Yeah, saving life. 12 a.m. I'm getting out of this. Okay. Touch it, then they funded. Oh, I'm researching Top Step. DNA funded. Okay. Yeah. 2 platforms I like. I appreciate the follow, Mr. DTO. Okay. Price is manipulating higher. We run that fear from that low. I mean the high to the low. Okay. I'm looking for price to sell off around here. If not there, I'm looking for price to sell off around the 261. Right here and here. Let's see what price want to do. 15-minute FVG forming here. Got your 30-minute FVG. Okay. I'll be looking for price to reverse. Yep. What the fuck did I just say? What the fuck did I just say? I'm looking for price to reverse. Not here, but bro. I like that feel, bro. Yeah. Price inducement. Looking good. Hold on, I want to see. I look. You want to see one more, or do I? Hold on. Let me see something. That's not how they want to run price up. Okay. Where do I want to see a buy zone? How would I run my field to see a buy zone? Okay. Let me go to my hourly. Okay. I'm gonna run it from the low to my high. This is inducement. Hold on. The money all on the wait, which one is inducement? This would be inducement. 182. Okay, that's what I'll be looking for price to maybe buy at. Run into this FEG here. So I'm looking to take price down here. What's up, Kenneth? The reverse points. 200, 113, 200, or 261. Yeah, this shit can get dangerous. What am I looking for? I want to see. Okay, how far are they willing to? Are they going to take price? It's not how I run it. How do I run that? Okay, if I want to see how far they're going to take price down, accumulation, manipulation. Okay, so I run it from the low to the high of my inducement. So I run it from the low. I run it from the low to the I run it from the low to the high. Yep, I run it from the low. Where was that take profit at? Hold on. I gotta rerun that. I don't remember how I ran that. No. To see how high they're gonna manipulate, I run it from the high and to the low of my inducement. Okay. Run it from the high to the low. To see how high they're gonna take price up. You just see buying point. Yep. Oh my god, bro. Perfect. Perfect. So that would have been, hold on, we would have took half profit. I don't think I could take half profit, but I would have took one contract out. There we go, right there. Okay. See our price want to react here. Rejected off of this order block. Probably should have just been targeting this order block here. Let's see. What time is it too? 2 a.m. Yeah. I'm staying in this. See that price runner yet? Yeah. Okay. So we took half profit on there. I wanted price to come back down into these lows here. So let's see what price did. Let's see what price did here. Price did what we wanted it to do. We had accumulation, we had our manipulation, then we distributed back lower. Okay. I think right here, instead of letting it run, once I see my displacement, I should have just gone ahead and took profit because we bounced off this 4-hour order block here. Boom. So instead of instead of leaving that runner, so I took half profit, but instead of leaving that runner there, I could have been like, okay, let me just go ahead and take. Once I saw that displacement, I should have gone ahead and take the rest of my profit off the table. I look, you want to see what the real market doing. Let's see what the real market doing. What time is this? This is 4 a.m. So we should be manipulating right now. It's still like that manipulation now. It's 2 a.m. So we're in that London session. Let's just see how far price want to go. All right, I'm looking for price a minute for this place lower. See what price want to do. Might be able to take this short long up there. I might try that out to see. Okay, yeah, let me try that out. Let me try that. I'm gonna see if I can catch my zones. Get better at trading up to my zones and back away from my zone. Okay, so these are my zones that I'm looking for price to react to, reverse at. Let's mark, let's see what else we got. Oh damn, W Michael. W Mikael. Mikael Myers. The Mikael Myers. Okay, my take. This is where I'm looking for price to reverse at. What do we have? Yep. Yep. Taking this long back up in here. Looking for price to reverse up here. Yep. Let's see what price reacted at here. This is the placement right here. We drafted off this FVG. Took out these highs here. Yeah, I'm looking for price to reverse here. So here. But I want to get better at, I want to take this long, the rest of it up in here. Then feel confident about reversing it back down as well. So right now I'm just looking. Okay. Yeah, this here. Price rejected off in here. Yep. Looking for price to reject. I am in love. Feel I need you to. Feel I need you to breathe. some more. If you take some more. Love is yours. If your love is free. If you take some more. Instantly got wicked out. Okay. It looked like we still got. It looked like I got caught in the wash still. We were still making equal highs and equal lows. Now watch this. It's gonna displace. Exactly. What the fuck? What the fuck? I fucking knew it. I got caught in the wash. I entered too early. Look at that shit. Okay. I'm getting caught in the wash. I keep entering when I'm still in my accumulation. Boom, manipulation. Boom, displacement. Reverse. Okay. Okay. I keep getting caught in the wash. I need to stop doing that shit. Reverse at the right, the 113. Got an 8 to 3. Damn. All right, my boy. Have a good one. Yeah, I'm trading out the. I'm just backtesting right now. And shit, you're learning now. Shit, YouTube University. Ask questions. Shit, watch videos. Have a good one, Michael. Though. I use a mix of ICT, order flow, and value. I use a mix of shit. Use my fib. Get a TV subscription and backtest. I got a TradingView subscription. I just wanna tell you, I want you around. Look at my. I want you around. What the fuck did I just say? I knew it. Y'all probably don't even know what the fuck I'm talking about. Right there. Boom. Once when you got that displacement lower, you find that next order block. That's the reversal point that you're looking for. You're looking for that reverse. Boom. Once you see that reverse, you're looking for that to see what price do. Are you getting a displacement lower, or is price going to continue upward? And as you can see, we displaced higher. This is how you understand this price is going to reverse. Boom. Reverse. You want to see how price is going to hold up. You look at your higher time frame PD array. What do we have? What the hell do we have? Let's go through a 30-minute. Hold on. Price displays higher. Boom. Once you see this big bullish candle close above this order block, that's when you enter. They probably taking this up to the 200. I mean, further than that. Hold on. Want you around, I want you around. Yeah, they got this shit ripping. Boom. I'm just happy I was able to. This is what I'm looking for. Okay, how high are they gonna take price up before we get that immediate reversal? To see, okay, are we going to change structure, or are we going to keep pushing up higher towards those 400 zones? Okay, I'm about to explain it to y'all, bro. I'm about to explain it to y'all, bro. I'm about to explain that shit to y'all, bro. Hold on. Y'all about to get the gym right now. All right. Okay. So I run it from my low. I run it from this high to this low because I want to see how high they're going to take price. I have my reversal points off. Here you go, right here. Which one did I have it at? Which one was it? But this is my 200. I don't remember which way I ran it. But this is my 200 and this is my 261 at my fib. Which way did I run that shit? Hold on. I gotta figure that out now. I think I ran it on my 4 hour. Did I run on my 4 hour? On my 30 minute? How did I run it? Hold on. Which way did I just run that? I think it was here, 113. Bro, I don't remember where I just had that at. Now I gotta find out where I had it at. God, dude, just had it perfectly. How the hell? How did I just run that? Now I can't remember how I just ran it. I had to have it from my high to my low. But okay, how do I pick how high they want to price, where they want to run price up? Now I can't remember how I just did that. I think Top Step is open. Futures Asia session is open. Oh, here we go. I think this is how I had it. I don't remember how I'm trying to figure out how I just ran that. Because it was spot on. It was like this. Oh, I ran it like that. Boom. Accumulation. This, that manipulation. Okay. So when you have an accumulation range, once your price manipulates, you can run that fib from that. If it manipulates higher right here, boom. So we had equal highs, equal lows. Price manipulates higher, and you want to see, okay, where is price going to reverse? Okay, the first spot I would be looking at is my 113. Price came up. See what came up, sold down. I'll be looking at that 113 as that first accumulation. You can use these as take profits as well. Boom, 113. I'll be seeing how price reacts there. Then I'll be looking at my 200. Boom. You see how your 200 lines up right with your buy side liquidity too? Like it just all lines up. So your 200. Then I know if price holds up. Oh, here we go right here. Price held up above this order block. It's already order block. Boom, boom. Okay, then once I see this big bullish candle, boom, I know we're breaking these equal highs. Then I'm looking for a reversal right at this 261. If price doesn't respect that 261, then you just see how price react at each zone. The next major zone I'll be looking at for that reversal is this 400. But you see price rip through all of that. Oh, this shit not even working no more. All right, we go. I'm backtesting right now. In the top step, the futures market is open too. The Asian market is open, I believe. Yeah, it is. Price ain't doing shit. I wouldn't trade none of this. It's just accumulating. I think price gonna accumulate. I mean, manipulate higher. Not today, but I'll be looking for price to manipulate higher than sell off. Yeah. Y'all shouldn't be trading this right now. Yeah, this shit open. I caught this sale last night. I caught this sale. This one right here. Boom. I caught that sale right here. Boom, boom. Stop loss. I had my stop loss above here. I'm gonna go to the bathroom right quick. I'll be back, y'all. I'll be right back. I'm gonna find one more setup. Then I'm gonna get off. Sure. I just came. I just did this, didn't I? Didn't I just trade this? Yeah, I did. Oh, that's that shit I was just trading. I guess we could trade this. This shit look like I don't even know. See how the weekly look. We got this order block down here. That weekly order block. Who I am. Price coming up to this daily FVG. You already knew that. You already. What has price done? Okay, it looked like we had some equal highs. Got some equal highs, equal low. We manipulated higher, distributed down to the low side. Took out these equal lows, then took out these lows. See how price want to react. We got these lows here, but it already took out all of this. So price looked like it want to come back through. I be wanted to take out here. Then a runner. I running up to here. Well, I really had that right here. Oh, they had that runner. Who I am, who I am. You already knew that. Accumulation. We manipulated higher. Let's see how high this price took. Oh, y'all see what I got 200 marked out. I look at 113, 200, and 261 as my reversal points. Then you look at your PD arrays. What do you have? Okay, 113. You got this here, FEG. Up here at this 200, we got this FEG. This FEG here. Boom, boom. We also have this order block here. You can look at. So it's a lot of different things you can be looking at for price to reverse to. Okay. Let's see how high price wants to go. Yeah. I'll be looking at this buy side. Let's see a price rejected. Came back and retested this order block. Oh, me, S. Oh, me. What time frame? This is a daily I'm on now. Can y'all see this shit? I don't know if y'all, yeah. This is a daily. On me, I'm early. But I just wanted to get a little back testing there. And I figured I might as well just go live while I'm back testing right quick. But I'm just looking for another setup, and I'm going to get off. Alright, I'm drinking and driving and surviving. The baby. I appreciate the follow. Because, girl, you can't be my wifey. I appreciate the follow. Again, goddamn. I don't have no friends. I'm alone until the end. Make my car again. Jake got hard again. I don't have no friends. Still alone until the end. You don't hurt as bad as it used to. I admit, girl, Look at this. Then you look at this shit bounce right off the 200. Listen to what I'm telling y'all. Like, what the? I'm telling you, this shit, the 200. I never abuse you. Oh, the snare left me cold, frozen in the snow. She already know. Hard for me to let go. Driving and surviving. Oh, bear. Verse at the 200. Just girl, cause you gon' die in it. The car again. God again. Goddamn. I don't have no friends. I'm alone until the end. I don't I don't have no friends. You see how the boss side match up too? Next to these zones. Bad as it used to. I admit, girl, yeah, I just use you. I admit it's not what I'm used to. I'll turn up and I'll never abuse you. Yes, girl, let me go. Oh, you just run it the same way, just in the same box. Hold on. Okay, that's close, but okay. So the caster manipulation higher to see how high they might want to go. You run it from the high to the low of that accumulation range. Boom. Then if you want to see the same thing for the bottom, you just run it from the low to the high. Boom. What the hell? What the hell are they? What the Hellatron? What the Megalodon? What the fuck is this? Is this the 1 hour? Is this the 4 hour? Hold on. Turn this shit off. No, I'm just backtesting today. I'm on the 4 hour. What the hell? Bro, I can't move past the 4 hour. Oh, never mind. Okay, I can't go to the 5 minute here. I can only go to the lowest I can go is 15 minute. Okay, if price want to go lower to touch this to retest, is gonna go behind here. If price goes higher, I'm looking for price to close above here. Wait, what time is this? 6 p.m. So it's an Asia session. So this would be the Asia session. Okay, bearish for the block. So you about to get it. We're in the Asia session now. What has price done? Price accumulated, manipulated, and distributed back lower. That's what price. Okay. Now we just got to see what price does now. Yeah, we already at these highs. Look like price might want to just keep going. I wanted to find some support. Let's get a couple more candles going. Like we ranging now. Damn, this shit flattened out, didn't it? Looking for some support here at this order block. Okay, right there. Boom. Boom. I would have been enter here, but I can't even enter. But boom, that big displacement there. Let's look. And this can tell us how low this wants to go. We manipulated lower. Go from the low to the high of my range. Me, I'm unstable. You see how you're running from your low to the high? How I went back to the 200? I'm unstable. Oh, I ran from the wrong thing. Here we go. Yep. Dang, this thing already up here. Already at the 113. Yeah, that entry would have been down here. It would have been TP1 instead 50, TP2. I'm looking at that 113, or for a safer TP for a TP1, I'd be at the 50. You could be a safer and go at the 61. You could just put TP1. I'd retain the 61 in the 50. TP2, I'll be at the 100. And that's it. Now we just got to see how price react. A good buy zone would be here. I want price to come here. Very little. No, that's not a gap there. Let's go to the 1 hour. Here we go. There we go. Oh, you're running from your last high or low. Boom. Yeah, so I'll be looking for price to manipulate here. You also got this order block here you have to pay attention to. Okay. I'm just looking at it. Let's delete this. It's at the 113 now. We could possibly see a sell-off. See what price. Boom. Couldn't catch that shit. Manipulation, distribution. Okay. So knowing what side of the market we in, we got accumulation, manipulation, and now we're in that distribution phase. This shit just ripped. Yep. It's about to reverse up here. I would be looking for price to reverse up here. That's that entry right there. Go right up to the 400. How about, did I trade this? Okay. Yep, was looking for that reversal here. Boom, boom. For that re-entry. So that would be running from that last low to this high. FEG, order block here. There it is, right there. Boom. That's the entry. I just can't catch it. I can't catch it on the trading view because it's just so, like, when you press the pause button after it plays, watch this. Like, if you press play and press pause, it like shoots out like 3 more candles here. Let me see if you do it. I could do that shit. Look, you see how it's like I press. Oh shit! I ain't even press pause yet. All right. I might try to see one more thing, then I'm gonna get off. Probably just took out the sell side. Look like we had accumulation, manipulation. Look like this is distribution all right here. Like price might want to come up and take out these highs up here, these equal highs. Us knowing that this is manipulation. Let's draw that range out. This is on the weekly too. Give me those up. Just knowing that you could have caught that shit all week. Yep. Price came down. We had initial rejection off this 261. Then price came down to this 300. Price is coming back up. Over to 113. We'll be targeting this 200 range right here. Targeting here. But I'll be here. I'll be targeting these equal highs here. PM. Accumulation. Let's see what we got. We rejected at the 200. I want price to displace higher above here. TP1. No, that won't be my TP. I'm sorry. It's telling me my buying ranges. Where to buy. I'm looking to buy here. If price is going to hold up, I want to buy here. And if price dumps, you'll be looking there. See how price react here, and see if price want to react here or here. But looking for some displacement once it gets there though. $2:30 a.m. It's 2:30 a.m. So we should be looking for where do we accumulate? Where do we manipulate? PM. I don't think y'all can read the replay. The replay on the chart. I'm on TradingView right now in the back test. Cole, I appreciate the follow. I think it's Talia. I appreciate you for the follow too. Yeah, I'm just back testing right now. me get another candle. We don't enter this yet. Price just keep. Price just falling off the table. Accumulation. Mm-mm-mm, mm-mm-mm. 5 a.m. Run this high to this low. And we see how price want to react here. I'll be looking for some type of displacement. Let's see. Okay, that's the range. There it is here. Manipulation. Okay. This that range right here. No, my top set should be cool now. We figured out what the problem was yesterday. to the low to the high. I'm just looking at my fib. There, so entered here. 50, 61, 200. Target at 200. Goes in below 50%. Yeah. This is that initial displacement. Now we're filling the close out above it. Now we struggling to close out above it. So boom, that should have been that initial entry there. Okay. This is what I was looking at here. I was looking at this accumulation zone. I was looking at this manipulation zone. At this low side right here. Then I want to price to distribute back higher. Just run that fib and just see where our zones were. Yeah, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. I feel like I'm not. Manipulation. Okay. Oh my goodness gracious, bro. It went right to where it's supposed to go. Price stopped right at that zero. Okay. Price manipulated lower. I could run that field from this low to range to the high to range. How did I run that? How did I run that before? Yeah. Low to the high. Oh, there we go. switch, change the state, running from that low. Okay. I think this accumulation zone was bigger than what I initially thought it was. Yep. It's this big a zone. So I was still trading in the wash. Yeah. All of this. Yeah. So I was still trading in that wash. I was too zoomed in. I was down here. Need to zoom out. Alright, I think I'm done, man. My Dom was connected to the ES chart, but I was trading the M and Q, so I wasn't able to see any of my orders or anything because my Dom was set to the wrong thing. My Dom was set to the ES, and I didn't even know that. So I was trading the ES the whole time, and I didn't even know. Took another shot up to 250. Good shit. I've been trading for 5 months now. You got me. Yeah. Brian, I appreciate the follow. I did notice not prop. I did notice. Are you asking me how did I notice my profits weren't moving, or are you asking me how did I not notice my profits wasn't moving? I knew my yeah, I knew my profits wasn't adding up right, but I thought it was like a glitch, which in my top step, and I couldn't figure out what it was. I'm about to get ready to get off. Let you join the call. I don't let people join the call unless you my mentor secrets or shit. That's it. I don't know what you gonna say. Oh me, I gotta do it. You could talk to me on Discord. You could join my Discord, but I won't let people join my live, my my TikTok live unless you secrets or yeah secrets or shit. That's basically it unless he got somebody. All right, yeah. Good shit, my boy. Oh me. I'm about to get off, y'all. Call it a night. I just want to get on for a little bit, look at the charts for a bit. I appreciate y'all joining. I'm low key tired, man, but I'm about to make some dinner. Oh shit, I know exactly what I'm about to eat. But yeah, keep making that money, Alex. Shit, make that fucking money. But I appreciate y'all. I'll be back. I'll be back Monday. Yeah, I should be back Monday. But all right, right on for joining the little session. Right on for the follows too. Thank you for the likes too. If you need me, you know where I'll be at. Discord and YouTube. Everything else is in my bio. Then yeah, shit. Just DM me if you need me. I appreciate y'all. Right on for the likes, Alex. I appreciate you. Yeah, get in touch with me in the Discord.